Okay, let us discuss on the components of the Visual Basic 2015. Title bar. The title bar is present at the top of the window and displays the name of the currently opened project. Menu bar. Menu bar contains many menu items and sub-menus. These items give access to various options which help in developing the application. Toolbar. Toolbar contains icons that give access to frequently used menu items. These icons act as shortcuts to the options available in the menu bar. Form window. Form is an interface through which an user interacts with the application. A form contains many control elements such as label, text box, button, etc. Using these controls, a user can enter data and give instructions to the application. The form window provides us with a blank form where we can place various controls as per our requirements. Properties window. Properties are the attributes that define the appearance and behavior of objects, forms, and other controls. Forms have many properties such as name, font, color, border style, padding, size, text, etc. The Properties window consists of an object drop-down list and the list of properties. This window is used to set the properties of forms and the other controls placed on them. The bottom section of the Properties window shows a description of the selected property. Solution Explorer. This window displays a list of forms and other objects that constitute the application. This list is organized in the form of a branching structure like Windows Explorer. To open any object, we can double-click on its icon in the Solution Explorer window. Toolbox. As the name suggests, the toolbox contains various controls such as button, text box, label, etc. These controls can be added to the forms by dragging and placing them at the desired location. Code window. Code window is used to write codes for any object. To write codes, double-click the object on the form. This action opens the code window where we can write the required Visual Basic statements. Okay, let us take a quick view. Press F7 key to open the code window. Let me now tell you how to develop a VB application. To develop an application using VB 2015, follow the given steps. Build an interface by adding controls to the form. Set properties of the controls. Write codes on various events of added controls and run the application. Students know the fact. Visual Basic.NET is an evolution of the Visual Basic language and is targeted to develop Windows, web and mobile devices based applications. Building an interface. When we start a new project in Visual Basic 2015, a blank form appears on the screen. We can add more forms to our application by either clicking on the project, then Add Windows Form and then Windows Form, or selecting the project, then Add New Item, then Windows Form option. You can also resize the form by dragging any corner of the form. Adding controls to the form. To add a new control to the form, follow the given steps. Click on the desired control in the toolbox and bring the pointer on the form. The pointer will change to crosshair plus symbol. Move the pointer to the desired location and drag it to draw the selected control. Or double-click on the control in the toolbox. The control gets placed on the form. Or drag the control from the toolbox and drop it onto the form. We can change the size, shape and location of the control as per our requirement. Okay, let us take a quick view. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus A key combination to add a new form in the project. Setting control properties. Let us learn to set properties of any control. Select the control in the form whose property you want to set. The properties related to that control will appear in the Properties window. Click on the desired property. Reset the property and observe the changes in the control. Commonly used controls. Label. A label is used to display descriptive text for a control. Let us learn the common properties of label control. Name. The name property identifies a label while writing the program. Font. This property sets the font size, font style, etc. for the label. For color. This property changes the foreground color of the label used for displaying the text. Text. This property is used to display the text on the label. Visible. This property determines whether the control is visible or hidden. Text box. A text box is used to receive input from the user. We can enter text and numbers in this box.